Hello dear viewers, today I want to show you how to design isolated footing or pad footing foundation or foundation pads in Excel spreadsheets to BS8110. So this is reinforced concrete center design spreadsheets, and all you need is to fill in the data here, your class of concrete, your grade of steel. We can use class of concrete here, let's say 15, and then we can change this one to 413. Then you can change the dimensions of your columns. Maybe my column is 400 by 200. So the next thing is to fill this data here. So this data you get it from load takedown, column load takedown. Also watch video on column load takedown below in my description. So I will use this is the cumulative dead load N 13 13 13 13, and then I will use a live load. This live load you have to factor it. So this live load you need to multiply this by 1.6. So 1.6 times 15 should be about, if you do the multiplication, we will find that the value is let me open a new spreadsheet. So open, I just need 149, is it 149.6? So this one multiplied by 1.6, that is the factored load for because in BS code the live load factor is 1.6 for ultimate load, and the dead load factor is 1.4. So this one should be equals to this multiplied by shift multiplied by this, and is equals, so around 239, right? So I will fill in that data here, 239. So the next thing is to see the suggested base sizes here. We want a square base size, so I will use this one. So the suggested one is 2950 or 2980. Let's try 2950, and then here also 2950. Okay, so let's try 3000, and again 3000. So you can see it is failing on punching. So because it's failing on punching, so let's just use 2950. It's not failing in, it's failing on punching. 2950. So it's failing on punching. It means we have to either increase the grade of concrete. Let's use 20, or use 25. Let's increase this one to 460. So failing in punching basically means you have to increase the depth. There is no choice. So let's use this suggested 3000. So 30 50 30 50. It's failing on punching 600. So that this one is a valid design. So now you can print this value. We can change this back to 15 and see. So it's filled. So let's use grade 20. So we just use class 25. Then you can change your cover, your soil parameter. My soil is 18 km per meter cubic, my cover of 50. Then I think everything is now okay. Then you can print this. results. So that's how we do it. Thanks. If you like this video, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video.